What's up, you guys, and welcome to my first Valentine's Day video of 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-in-1. I'm going to show you how I beat this face from this to this. So if you want to see that, then just stay tuned. So for this video, I will be starting with my hair, and I wanted to test out the Irresistible Me Black Diamond Hair Straightener. They sent this to me for review, so I just wanted to see how good or not good it was. You guys know I don't normally do straight sleek hair. I usually have some sort of curls or waves, but today I just wanted to try this out. So they put a lot on this straightener, and I was like, girl, we gotta try it. One of the first things that I noticed about this straightener was the fact that it heated up so fast. I was like, is that straightener already done? Already heated up? It heated up so fast, and it goes up to 450. I only used it on, I think I used it on 450, and then I turned it down to 410. Another thing that I noticed about this straightener was that the buttons were on the inside, so you don't accidentally change the temperature or turn it off, which I've done several times with my other straighteners and wondered why my hair wasn't straightening. It has a very long cord, ceramic and tourmaline plates, and it's just a really good straightener. You guys will see how sleek and shiny my hair looks, and I love the color. I just love the sleek black with the like rose gold plates. It's just a really cute straightener, and it actually works, which you guys will see right now. Just take a look at how shiny and frizz-free my hair is. I mean, it's super shiny, and I think I went over that part 3 times for some reason, but for the rest, I only passed once or twice. I can't wait to try the straightener on my natural hair because I was really impressed with how just straight and sleek my hair looked when I was done. And again, the shine was something I haven't seen in that wig since like the first day I got it. So very impressed with this straightener. So here's the aftermath of my hair. I thought it came out so good. Like I said, normally I don't wear straight hair, but I was really in love with this look right here. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute the back of my hair and just how beautiful it really looked. There it is right after I was done straightening it. So now let's move into the face. For this video, I'm going to use all high-end products for the makeup. I do have one that I recorded for Valentine's Day for drugstore that you guys will see very soon. So I just primed with the CoverFX mattifying primer, which is in my project pan for this year. So if you haven't seen that video, you should go ahead and check it out. And now I'm just going to use the Pat McGrath Sublime foundation. I have actually grown to really love that foundation, especially this time of year, because it's not the best for oily skin, but this time of year I can definitely get away with it, and it looks like perfection on my skin. I wanted this look to be very soft and beautiful and perfect for date night. So I hope you guys go out with your boo, or go out with your friends, or go out by yourself and recreate this look. If you do recreate this look, just make sure you let me know. Tag me on Instagram so I can see your looks. for the longest, and they're the KKW beauty products. So I'm going to use the KKW Cherry Blossom palette on my eyes, and right now I'm using the contour sticks on my face, and I actually really love how they cream contour my face. If you're looking for some contour sticks, these are actually super creamy and blendable, and I would definitely recommend them. So I went ahead and blended out that concealer. I've been using that Pretty Vulgar concealer lately that I got from my BoxyCharm last month, and I've actually really been liking it, if you were wondering. So now I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar setting powder and just set in the places that I concealed, and I'm also going to set on my jawline, and it's just really going to help make my contour a lot more pronounced. Now some people don't do this, but I always go over my cream contour with a contour powder. So I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour or bronzing powder, I think it's called, in Cappuccino, and I'm just going to go over the cream contour just to make it more pronounced. I really like a structured face when I'm going for a super glam look. Of course, you always have to take a pause for a ratchet singing break. So I did use another KKW beauty product in this video. I used Tempting, which is one of her highlighters, and I actually really did like it. You guys, I was pretty impressed with the line. So if you were tiptoeing around getting some of her products, I would definitely recommend them because I was very impressed. I was really skeptical from the beginning, but impressive. I don't have any complaints with them. Moving into the eyes, I did use the KKW Cherry Blossom palette. Like I told you guys, this palette just seemed perfect for Valentine's Day, so I thought I would finally pull it out and see what type of looks I can get with it. And I think I just got the most beautiful, soft, romantic look. Even for people who don't like color, I think this is a perfect look for you to just dip your toe in the color pool, and I promise you'll probably like it. KKW Beauty Lip Liner. I don't remember the exact name, but you guys know everything will be linked below. And I'm also going to use one of her nude lipsticks. This is the lipstick that I use that you definitely need a darker lip liner if you're my complexion. It was a little ashy, but we ended up making it work. Last but not least, I wanted to give you guys a sexy look for Valentine's Day, so I went ahead and put on this dress that I got from Boohoo. I thought it was perfect for date night. Even with my belly, it still looked really cute and really sexy. I also have on my Louboutin heels, which I will link everything down below, and purse from Just Fab, and then earrings from Amazon. I really love this outfit. I love the split on the side. Again, it's super sexy and super cute for date night, or again, if you're taking yourself out for a date, it's fine for that too. So I just thought this look was super cute for Valentine's Day, and the purse matched my makeup so perfectly. But this is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, if you recreate this look on Instagram, please let me know by tagging me. I would love to see your looks. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.